This year, for my Spark trip, I'm going to be taking a group of students to Florida, and we're going to visit a place called Give Kids the World. Give Kids the World is an organization that they reach out to families that have children who have terminally ill have terminal illnesses, and so they have a village there, and it's completely volunteer run, and it's a really cool place. The volunteers will dress up like Disney characters. They have a 24-hour ice cream parlor. They've got their own rides inside their village, and it's just a really cool place. And so I hope that we can go and spread the love of Christ to these kids and their families, and hopefully brighten their day since they've been kind of going through a lot of hard times. So hopefully we can lift their spirits a little bit, and I think it'll be fun for us as well. So should be a good time.